You have probably heard that downsizing saves money, but the part no one ever talks about is the money you spend just to move. The legal fees, the land transfer tax, the professional realtor services, the movers, the upgrades you need before listing, and the new furniture for your new space. Add it all up, and it is easy to think the savings just disappear. Let's be brutally honest. Downsizing is not an automatic windfall. You're watching Community Real Estate Group, London and Area Living, and in the next few minutes, we will break down the real numbers so you can see why the cost to stay put can actually be the bigger surprise. The real question is whether the house you are in is silently draining more than you realize every single year. And if that sounds familiar, we sit down with clients across London, Exeter, and surrounding small towns every week to map out the facts. Property taxes climb faster than pensions. Utilities spike every winter. Insurance follows square footage. Roofs, furnaces, windows, they edge toward failure, and the hidden cost is the time you spend worrying about all of it. When we total those carrying costs, many families discover they are spending thousands every year just to hold on to rooms they rarely even enter. Moving costs are a one-time check. Carrying costs are an annual subscription you can never cancel unless you change the asset. Downsizing does two things at once. It stops the bleed and it unlocks equity already sitting in your walls. Some clients roll that equity into investments that produce income. Others choose to travel, gifts to family, or simply a bigger safety cushion. Even if the monthly savings look modest, the psychological lift of no major repairs on the horizon is priceless. But the numbers are unique to you, and guessing is incredibly risky. If you want clarity, we will run the full cost comparison, selling expenses, purchase expenses, and true carrying costs, so you can decide with data, not hope. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget, subscribe to Community Real Estate Group, London and Area Living for more expert real estate tips and neighborhood insights. Are you ready to take the next step? Visit communityre.ca. We are here every step of the way.